Hello, my name is Raffi Januddin Surajat and my student ID is 250101001, and this is my final project for functional English communication, listening and speaking. For the audio one is talk about like or dislike for the leisure activities. My answer to the listening question is for the first one, what are the speaker main preference for leisure activities? The speaker absolutely loves watching science fiction movies. On the other hand, the speaker would much rather read a good book or listen to a podcast than reality TV show. The second one, how do they differ from his brother? The speaker prefers stories about the future, while his brother leans towards stories about real achievement in sport. Now for the project question is talk about like and dislike, and I prefer to make the like or dislike from music, and this is I enjoy listening to jazz music because it is calm and relaxing. I am fond of jazz since the smooth melodies help me feel comfortable, and I also prefer jazz when I want to relax or study. However, I dislike dangdut music. I'm not a fan of this genre because the beat is too loud for me and sometimes I can't stand listening to it. For the audio 2 is talk about asking and giving direction to student center. This is my answer to the listening question from audio 2 is the first one, describe the key landmarks and turn to get from the main lecture hall to student center. I'm standing in front of the main lecture hall facing the large fountain, and I walk straight ahead past the fountain. When I see palm trees, then I turn right onto the path line. Walk for 1 minute and I will pass the library on my left hand side. Keep going and then I see a modern glass building with blue sign. That is the student center, the main entrance in front of me. And now for the project question, I go to the prayer room. From class, it's the first one, left the classroom and turn left, then go straight ahead and pass the auditorium. After that, go down the stairs to the first floor. Next, turn right and walk for about 1 minute. Finally, you will arrive at the prayer room, and the men's prayer room is on the left side. And for the audio 3 is talk about morning routine activities. And this is my answer to the listening question for audio number 3. The first one, what are two regular activities that speaker does in the morning? And what is one thing they never does? The first thing speaker does is always drink large glass of water, and then he spent about 20 minutes checking his planner and email. And the never is he never skip a breakfast. And now for the project question is the first, I usually wake up early in the morning and I always pray subuh to start my day calmly. After that, I sometimes eat breakfast while watching YouTube to relax for a moment. Then I take a shower, get dressed, and prepare everything I need to campus. Before leaving, I usually check my bag and make sure everything is ready. And finally, I go to campus to attend my class and activities. For the audio 4 is talk about describing smartwatch or describing object. My answer to listening question audio 4 is first one, Describe two physical features and two main functions of the speaker smartwatch. The smartwatch screen is made of smooth, durable glass, and it has one main button on the right side and a touch-sensitive display. In terms of function, it is primarily used for tracking her daily steps and heart rate, and also to check notification from her phone quickly. Now, for the project question, the most helpful item for me during listening tasks is my earbud. Soundcore Air50i is a small and lightweight true wireless earbud with a simple, modern design. It has an in-ear shape that fits comfortably and is made of durable plastic with soft silicone ear tips. The earbuds come in a black color, and this earbud is useful because it is very to carry, comfortable to wear, and provide good sound quality for daily activities like listening music, watching videos, and making calls. For the audio 5 is talk about favorite place in the city. My answer to the listening question is the first one. What are some sensory detail things you can see and hear that the speaker mentioned about the city park? I can wide open green lawn surrounded by full old trees. I can hear children logging from playground and birds chirping sound. Now, for the project question is my favorite place in my neighborhood is the area in front of my house. The atmosphere there is cool and refreshing. I can see two fish ponds and many green trees around the place. I really like this place because when I spend time there, I feel very calm and relaxed sometimes. I also go fishing there to enjoy my free time. This place is perfect for chilling and taking a break from my daily activities.